Rick Ross net worth. Rick Ross is an American rapper, producer and CEO who has a net worth of $500 million. And while his net worth might be noteworthy now, it wasn't always so. Before his success in music, Ross briefly worked as a correctional officer in Florida. This was understandably embarrassing for someone in the street cred-obsessed world of hip-hop like Rick Ross. Ross has also had trouble with the law in a more traditional sense. He's been arrested for guns and drugs, and has also faced lawsuits from various other people in the music industry. In addition to these entanglements, he has had highly public feuds with fellow rappers like 50 Cent. But you don't make millions of dollars simply by feuding with other rappers. In Ross' case, he needed to release several top-selling albums to make it to the top. He released his first album Port of Miami in 2006. He has since released 6 more studio albums. In 2011, the rotund rhymester made his 3rd straight Forbes Cash Kings appearance on the strength of solid album sales and touring. His 4th studio album, Teflon Don, was certified gold. He's been supporting it by hitting the road with Lil Wayne and performing lucrative gigs on his own. Before his success in music, Ross briefly worked as a correctional officer in Florida.